Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to send money from Wise to Zelle. And if you want to do that, it's not possible directly because Zelle is not accepting transfers from my directly cash app platforms. So what we're going to do is the next thing. We are having here Zelle and this is Wise, but I wrote down exactly what we need to do because you can move money using a shared US bank account as intermediary. So what we're going to do is link the same bank account, connect your US bank account or debit card to both your Wise account and your Zelle profile. So that's very important. Send funds from Wise. So transfer the money from your Wise balance to your linked US bank account using an ACH transfer or wire. And then after that, send via Zelle. So once the funds arrive in your US bank account, log into your banking app or the Zelle app and send the money to your recipient using their email or US phone number. And then after that, the transfer is done. And this is the only way how you can do that. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.